Power Designer supports various notations for data modeling in the conceptual and logical data models. Here we're looking at a simple CDM drawn using the entity relationship, or ER, notation. We see that projects and tasks both inherit from or are kinds of activity, and thus both have start and end dates and any other attributes that are defined in activity. In addition, we see that projects are broken up into tasks, and that while a sole employee is responsible for each project, one or more employees works on each task. The cardinality of each end of each relationship, along with whether they are mandatory or dependent, is shown by special symbols. Here we're looking at the same model drawn with the Barker notation. The most obvious difference is that the inheritance is now shown by placing the project and task entities inside the activity entity. You can easily create inheritances by creating or dropping entities on top of other entities. In the Barker notation, entities have an additional properties tab called subtypes that lists the entities that inherit from them. In Barker, entity symbols have rounded corners and do not contain separator lines. Attribute ornaments are used to show the type of attribute, with hashes signifying keys, stars signifying mandatory attributes, and circles optional attributes. Relationship lines are solid or dashed to indicate whether the relationship is mandatory or not, with the line style changing midway if only one side is mandatory, as in the case of the belongs to and works on relationships here. You can change the notation of your model at any time by selecting Tools, Model Options, and selecting the desired notation from the notation list. In this video, we've taken a look at two of the most popular notations for drawing CDMs and LDMs. For more information about working with these models, see the other videos in the series and read the Data Modeling Guide.